There is only 39 impression today date. No more impression here. That was only 39. Now to 1261 impression and the CPM and the revenue 0.010. So guys, now I am going to show you how to get one click 1000 impression in just one single click. See, there is only 39 impression today date. No more impression here. Now I am going to show you a live proof how to get 1000 impression in just one click, but do not do this in your IP, I mean in your own laptop or in your same Wi-Fi, because it can ban your ad account. So do not need to do this. I am going to show you just for tutorial purpose. This is my blogspot and just I entered in the site. After that I need to click on the blog post. So what I am doing, I have already created a post, which post give me every time 1000 impression if someone click on the post. This is the post. This is the blog post I have created, how to get 10,000 impression daily on your blog. So this is only a single post. I just now opening it. So many ads is showing because I have already connected with Adsterra. So see, okay, now this is open. Now see what happened. This is a regular blog, but the method I have used, like I applied a secret method. By implementing this method, I am getting 1000 impression every time, on every click. Like one click, not one impression. There is one click 1000 impression every time, that is count. And I am going to show you live proof how actually it's work, and it's actually very easy method. You can do this. The video already have in my channel. You just see the video and apply the same method. Just load the blog page. I just share with it my friends and someone in my Facebook friend, and just tell them just load the page. Okay, now see, I am going to refresh. This is 39 already impression. Now I am going to refresh. So see, after refresh, what is now happening? That was only 39. Now to 1261 impression and the CPM and the revenue 0.010. So actually, how people are telling that they are not earning from Adsterra, they cannot, because you know what, you have to try the advanced method, you have to try the smart method. You just share your blog post with someone, but not without proper optimizing your blog, you cannot get the much impression. This is the game changing. So you have to do the right way to get the impression. And if you want to get this impression, just check on my channel this video, Adsterra 9000 impression method, Adsterra self click in mobile. You can see this method, you can apply this method, and that's it. You just need to follow what I have done, but do not do this on your own IP. Just simply follow this method and earn more. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like my video. Please do a comment if you need to know anything from me. Just ask the question. I will try to help you. I will try to answer you in a very short time. Thank you very much, guys.